sitting here. It's like a very small space, but it's very compact and yeah, it's good to sit there. I enjoy. I actually put my iPad, my music, food. Yeah, nice. I'm going to prepare my lunch. It's already 12. Already 12. And I'm actually watching Juni. Yeah, this guy is living in Dubai. A popular blogger in Dubai. Yeah, before I was watching his video and he is actually helping other Filipinos who wants to go to Dubai. Yeah, and this help them finding a job in Dubai. Yeah, good. If you want to go to Dubai, you can contact him. Check his YouTube channel. It's Buhay sa Dubai. Yeah. And now he's talking about the pill health. If you know, pill health is like the maybe insurance, public insurance in the Philippines. I'm not really sure. And they basically going to take money from the overseas Filipino worker like me. Yeah, so 3% of our salary. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's okay. Yeah, because us Filipino, overseas Filipino, we don't pay tax in the Philippines. The reason is because we are paying tax in the country where we are in. Yeah, so I think that's the reason why the government of the Philippines are taking money for the healthcare from the overseas Filipino worker. I think that's the reason. Yeah, but to be honest, being an OFW, especially if you are in Dubai, the salary is almost similar to the salary in the Philippines. Yeah, that's it. So it's not enough actually. Okay. As you can see, it's big. Huh? I closed this door because the wind outside is cold. Yeah, I'm preparing my dinner. Will be noodles with this I forgot. Yeah, miso soup, miso paste. Still have this frozen green fish. Okay, it is now boiling. Looks good. I put some egg. We're going to break one of them. Good morning, guys. I'm preparing my breakfast. This is the one already put in the microwave, and I have the rice heating, and outside is good, not windy like 2 days ago. I'm editing a video, and at the moment I'm reviewing it while eating this. So basically what is inside is just noodles. Yeah, it looks like egg. Yeah, there is egg there. And look at this onion. I don't know, but it's been a week, but it's not sprouting yet. I was hoping this to have a spring onion, but it's not happening. Maybe it's a wrong way. I don't know, usually, happening sometimes that I have some onion in here, or carrots, or potato, and it's sprouting. Let me show you how messy. This is supposed to be here. Also this here. And this here. Yeah. And these are all this garlic, onion, ginger. I think it should be outside. I didn't able to show you, but I went to the grocery one night, and yeah, I took this one. This one is Robert Tim's. Yeah, Robert Tim's coffee. The bottle is good. Looks like this is going to be my water glass instead of this one. Yeah, it's much bigger, but I don't know. Okay, we're going to stay a little bit here under the sun. It feels so good being under the sun. Yeah, in the house there is a small space where I got the sun, but that's very small. This one is good. And I have coffee. Yeah, this coffee. There is one guy fishing on that side, and there are more for sure. Whatever you do. Oh, looks like Chef March again is that one. Look at his hair. There are two ladies, they are doing some exercise in there. And yeah, there's no one is going up in there. Oh, because it's closed. There is a barrier. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, all the parks, yeah, they are closed. Look how big those trees are. Yeah, they are really big. There are so many trees here in Australia. You know, one thing I noticed in the Philippines, because I am always watching the videos about the Metro Manila, about the Philippines. Yeah, and I'm seeing the Metro Manila has so many trees along the street. Nice. Yeah, when I was there, I don't really notice because it's hot. Yeah, but if you see it in the video, in picture, you will see it nice. And that's the time you will realize that there are many trees. Yeah, I just stopped there here because of that. And there are people there. There are like 5 cars, and there are guys. They are wearing the wetsuit. Maybe they surf on the other side. Yeah, this is like a motel. This is apartment, South Pacific. Yeah, mostly are like a big guest house, vacation house. I noticed that there are some restaurants that are open already. Yeah, especially the fish and chip shops. Yeah, it is now 4:06, and I feel like going home now. But before we go home, we are going first to the grocery. All the way. I am thinking of waiting here for the sunset. We're just going to sit somewhere in there. Yeah, we do that. I'm not sure how long we're going to stay. As you can see, a lot of people here. They are partner. Beautiful. And forever it would be you and me. You know those guys, they catch a bird. Yeah, a bird. Yeah, maybe it's a cormorant, or you know, the bird that is diving in the water. Yeah, I don't know if they are going to. I think they are going to keep it. Oh, they let it go. Amazing. That's fine. Yeah, it's having a hard time to get to fly. Wow, that's good. Oh, now it's good, it's flying, but really can't go high up. Wow, those people, they are nice. Oh, the guy is actually Chef Alessandro. It's good. Oh, Chef Alessandro is good. He let the bird fly away.
I don't know that somebody started working.
Yeah, I heard those in the shopkeeper.
Oh yeah, you're not entitled for it? I show it in the video. I said, oh, those guys, they catch a bird. And then I heard you call me. Oh, it's Chef Alessandro. I was smiling at you, but you didn't say it. I realized it was you when I started going.
Oh, looks like Chef Alessandro. It's so bad.
big.
Unbelievable, chef, to catch that here.
And this is the second one I get. The other one was smaller.
Oh, look at that. It means that if you have a boat, you must have a car also. Yeah, that's how they do it. Yeah, I was there for around the 30 minutes hoping that they are going to catch something during the time that I'm there, but nothing. Yeah, nice. They show me the big fish that they catch. A tuna. Yo, these birds, they feeling cold. Should I wait for the sunset or we go? I think we go.